Hello. Oh my, it is my voice. And here I am trying something different in which I kind of do live commentary for my videos. So, to start things off, I banned Hand Guy because I hate him and he sucks. If there were two pre-bans, I would also ban AOL, but since I have AOL built, I could theoretically use her, and I don't have Hand Guy. Anyway, since we have a Seal Elias, I am just going to go for Leica and DJB. Leica has the theoretical possibility of outspeeding, and DJB can help clean up Seal Elias's debuffs. This is okay. So I will just slam Rowana and Lionheart Sirmia. And so they've kind of trapped themselves a little bit, because now if I pick Ed, what are they going to do? Like, they're forced to ban Ed, but that lets me through the draft with Rowana and LHC. And so far at this point, I just banned DDR. I mean, yeah, this is fine. I'll pick Ed, and I'll just ban DDR. So they pretty much had to force ban it, and then all of this is fine. Seal Elias has a dual attack on our S1 to proc Lionheart. Solitaria has one on our S1 to proc Lionheart. Bellion is just counters. And then Sage Vivian can actually be countered by DJB's barrier invert if she's on chatty, which 90% are. And she is, and I'm faster, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit this button, which has the dual possibility of sleeping everybody and also triggering a counterattack. It didn't sleep Sage Vivian, which is fine. Am I afraid? It didn't trigger anything. He's upset, and I don't know why. I'm just going to try to stun this. Got it, because DJB is busted. Everybody has immunity, so I'm not afraid of the S2 or the S3 at all. He's still angry, and I understand. This sounded like a dual attack, which is phenomenal, but they'll probably get the... Oh, okay, well, this was a fun and easy match. I don't know why they're upset. Like, they let this team through, so I'm not like positive on what the intended outcome was. Like, I don't need to S3 with Rowana yet. There's that push up. Yep. Like, this game is just over. I guess they're gonna play it out. I'm just gonna keep doing this, try to stun it. Nope. I'll just push everybody up because this will allow my Lionheart Sirmia to S3. I really don't know what they were expecting, because now my DJB will also go before Sage Vivian. If this doesn't kill Bellion, I can just S1 into her. It should trigger Chatty. Yeah, and that's perfect. Alright. Let me know what you think of this. They'd probably be a little bit longer just because of the whole drafting portion. But it is something that I've wanted to try for a while, and I get to share my voice and thoughts with the people who are willing to listen. So just let me know what you think. Yeah, have a great day.